John. Many of us have seen severe thunderstorms throughout the last week, and I think some places are really crying out for rain, but at least we're going to see a little bit of rain everywhere. Some places, though, are going to be really quite wet, could see some heavy spells of rain, even some thunder mixed in, but not today. For many of us under this ridge of high pressure, it's going to be dry and fine, but we do have this Atlantic front coming in from the north. That'll be pushing into parts of northern Scotland as we go through this afternoon. Quite cool and blustery, as well as misty and murky here with some damp conditions, but dry and bright as we move further south across Scotland and much of England. But it will still be rather chilly along that east coast as we see the wind coming in off the sea. Only 16 degrees in Norwich. Come further inland and it will be drier and brighter. Certainly the sunshine will be warmer where you're out of that wind, with temperatures typically getting into the low 20s Celsius, and certainly a much brighter day for many parts of Western England and Wales, but disappointingly cloudy for the rest of the day across Northern Ireland, where we'll see temperatures of around 19. Now for Scotland and Northern Ireland, as we go through this evening and tonight, a lot of cloud here, rather misty and murky too, some damp weather, and also one or two showers for the Channel Islands, but in between some cooler, clearer weather. Temperatures really quite low for a June night, down to around 10 degrees under that little ridge of high pressure. We've still got that front just meandering across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland through the day on Monday. So a lot of cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland with some outbreaks of rain. Quite windy in the north and also quite windy in the south too, through the southern North Sea in the English Channel, and that'll be blowing those showers across the Channel Islands. Still a lot of cloud then across Scotland and Northern Ireland, misty and murky, damp and drizzly, but for much of England and Wales it's dry and bright, plenty of sunshine coming through, certainly much warmer than today, and of course it's still strong, lifting those temperatures into the mid-20s Celsius. Now as we go into Tuesday, an area of high pressure really does dominate much of our weather, but we've got to watch out for that little front coming in from the south. That'll be bringing some quite strong winds in through the English Channel, in from the east or northeast, also bringing in that spell of cloud and thundery rain into parts of southern England and South Wales. The very warm, humid sunshine marching further northwards, but rather misty and murky around some of those northern and eastern coasts. Now, as we go into Wednesday, that area of low pressure really does get a hold and start to move northwards. There'll be some very humid air mixed in it, very misty, murky conditions for hills and coasts, as well as some spells of rain. Again, still quite heavy and thundery. So, of course, a good wetting for many gardens and farms. We'll see some drier, brighter weather to the southwest and to the northeast. Temperatures where we see the sunshine around 20 or 21. Now on Thursday, some pockets of showers. Yes, some of those turning out to be heavy, but where we see the warm sunshine, again, temperatures lifting up into the low 20s Celsius. On Friday, another spell of rain coming in from the southwest. So we should see rain nearly everywhere during the day. And that's how the weather's looking. Now back to John.